Picture a young soldier in the Ardennes, winter 1944, cold, wet, and clinging to survival in a muddy foxhole. The snow falls relentlessly, melting into icy water that seeps through every layer of clothing and gear. Each breath is a cloud in the frigid air, and every movement is a reminder of the biting cold. The forest, once a place of beauty, now feels like an endless frozen maze. His canvas pack, his lifeline, is soaked by relentless rain, turning heavy and cold. The weight digs into his shoulders, making every step a struggle. The pack, meant to protect his most vital supplies, now threatens to betray him with its sodden bulk. Inside, dampness threatens his socks, food, and maps, essentials for survival and mission success. Wet socks mean numb, aching feet, and the risk of infection. Soggy food loses its nourishment, and waterlogged maps blur into uselessness, making navigation nearly impossible. Wet gear isn't just uncomfortable, it's dangerous, risking trench foot, ruined supplies, and lost morale. The constant dampness gnaws at the spirit, turning hope into exhaustion. In these conditions, even the smallest comfort becomes precious. Soldiers quickly learn to improvise, drawing on old-world wisdom to protect their gear. They scavenged for materials, shared tips, and adapted techniques from anyone who had survived the elements before them. They used natural waterproofing methods, passing down secrets from outdoorsmen and sailors. Animal fats, oils, and waxes became tools of survival, transforming ordinary canvas into a shield against the rain. Treating canvas with wax and oil became a vital skill, empowering soldiers to keep their packs light and dry. This process required patience and care, but the reward was gear that could withstand the harshest storms. This simple act of waterproofing was more than practical. It was a lifeline, a small victory against the elements. In a world where nature seemed determined to break them, it was a way to fight back, to reclaim a sense of agency. It gave them control, resilience, and a connection to generations of resourceful survivors. Each waterproofed pack was a testament to ingenuity and the will to endure, linking past and present through shared hardship. The tradition of waxing canvas is a testament to self-reliance in the harshest conditions. A reminder that even in the bleakest moments, human resourcefulness can tip the balance between despair and hope. Canvas is strong and durable, used for centuries in sails, tents, and gear. But untreated, it's a sponge, soaking up rain, doubling in weight, and turning packs into burdens. Moisture inside ruins food, corrodes metal, and destroys paper maps and letters. Wet canvas takes ages to dry, and trapped moisture breeds mildew, weakening the fabric. A soaked pack can mean cold, discomfort, and even danger in the field. Over time, untreated canvas rots and fails, often when you need it most. In wet conditions, plain canvas is a liability, not an asset. To fight the wet, soldiers turn to a time-tested solution: beeswax and oil. This natural combo, used for centuries, transforms canvas into water-shedding tin cloth. Beeswax fills the weave, repelling water. Oil keeps the coating flexible and durable. The result? Water beads and rolls off, keeping gear dry and light. Ingredients were simple: beeswax and oils like linseed or paraffin, easy to find and use in the field. No special tools needed, just a fire and some know-how. Waxed canvas became the gold standard for weatherproof gear, giving soldiers a crucial edge. The magic is in the mix. Beeswax alone is brittle and cracks, but oil makes it flexible. On its own, beeswax is hard and can easily snap under pressure, making it unsuitable for fabrics that need to move and flex. But when you introduce oil, something remarkable happens. The oil seeps into the wax, softening it and transforming its texture. Suddenly, What was once stiff and fragile becomes pliable and resilient, ready to adapt to the demands of daily use. The oil blends with the wax, creating a coating that bends and moves with the fabric. This mixture forms a protective layer that doesn't just sit on top, it becomes part of the fabric itself. As you brush the warm blend onto the canvas, it soaks in, ensuring every fiber is coated. The result is a finish that moves naturally, never cracking or flaking, even after repeated use. Linseed oil cures and hardens, adding durability. Paraffin oil stays flexible and won't go rancid. Each oil brings its own unique properties to the mix. Linseed oil, derived from flax seeds, slowly oxidizes and forms a tough, protective shell, making the fabric more resistant to wear and tear. Paraffin oil, on the other hand, remains soft and stable, ensuring the coating stays supple and doesn't break down over time. The goal, a barrier that blocks water but flexes with every fold and stretch. This balance is crucial for outdoor gear, which must withstand rain and rough conditions while remaining comfortable to wear. The mixture creates a shield that keeps moisture out, yet allows the fabric to move freely, adapting to your every motion. The wax repels water. The oil keeps it supple. Together, they bond with the canvas fibers. This partnership ensures that the fabric doesn't just resist water on the surface, but remains flexible and strong underneath. The wax forms a barrier, while the oil prevents it from becoming stiff or cracking, even in cold or wet conditions. The result is a fabric that's not just coated, but deeply impregnated with waterproofing. Every thread is surrounded by the wax oil blend, creating a long-lasting defense against the elements. This deep treatment means the fabric can withstand years of use, rain, and sun without losing its protective qualities. This simple science turns ordinary canvas into high-performance outdoor gear. What starts as a basic textile is transformed into something rugged and reliable, trusted by adventurers and workers alike. The process is straightforward, but the results are extraordinary. It's a partnership of nature and necessity, proven by generations. From early explorers to today's outdoor enthusiasts, this blend of wax and oil has stood the test of time, offering protection, durability, and flexibility wherever adventure leads. Making your own waterproofing wax is simple and satisfying. Start with about 60% beeswax and 40% oil by weight. Adjust for softness or hardness as needed. Use beeswax pellets or blocks, and choose boiled linseed or paraffin oil. Always melt wax and oil in a double boiler, never over direct flame, as both are flammable. Weigh your ingredients, melt the wax gently, then stir in the oil until you have a smooth golden liquid. For a backpack, 200-gram beeswax and 130-140-gram oil is plenty. Work in a ventilated area and keep safety in mind. Once mixed, your waterproofing wax is ready for action. With your wax ready, prep your canvas. Clean and dry it thoroughly. Lay out newspaper, grab a natural bristle brush, and keep your wax warm. Brush the wax onto the canvas in even strokes, working panel by panel. Focus on seams, folds, and high wear areas. These need extra protection. Don't skimp. Saturate the fabric for full coverage. The wax may look uneven as it cools. This is normal. Inspect for missed spots, ensuring every inch is coated. The canvas should look darker and feel slightly stiff. Now you're ready for the final step. The final and most crucial step in the waxing process is heat setting the wax for a durable, lasting finish. This step ensures that all your hard work pays off, locking the wax deep into the fabric fibers and creating a protective barrier that stands up to the elements. You can use a heat gun set to low, carefully moving it over the surface, or simply leave your item out in the hot sun for several hours. Both methods help the wax melt and penetrate the canvas, bonding it thoroughly to the material. Take your time and make sure every inch is evenly treated. As you watch, you'll see the finish even out and the canvas darken to a rich, uniform color. This transformation is a sign that the wax is fully integrated, providing both beauty and protection. Once the canvas has cooled and the wax has set, it's time to test your work. Pour a little water on the surface. If you've done it right, droplets should bead up and roll off effortlessly, leaving the fabric underneath completely dry. This simple process not only revives a time-honored tradition of self-reliance, but also breathes new life into your gear. By waxing your own canvas, you're extending its lifespan, improving its performance, and connecting with a craft that's been trusted for generations. Waxed canvas is renowned for its toughness and timeless style. It's a material that looks better with age, developing a unique patina as it weathers countless adventures. Whether you're hiking rugged trails, camping under the stars, or simply appreciate gear that can handle real use, mastering this skill empowers you to face the elements with confidence and pride. Now the tin cloth secret is yours. Put your knowledge to use, stay dry, and enjoy the satisfaction of gear you've made adventure ready with your own hands.